Apple iPhone SE 4 is an affordable premium device. In the world of smartphones, the iPhone SE series has always been a game changer, offering Apple's quality and innovation at a more accessible price point. The latest buzz is all about the iPhone SE 4, and it's shaping up to be an exciting addition to the iPhone family, a price that's hard to beat. The iPhone SE 4 is rumored to be priced under $500, making it a steal for those who want the Apple experience without the hefty price tag. It's a smart move by Apple, considering the growing demand for budget-friendly smartphones that don't compromise on features. Design and features. A fresh look. The new iPhone SE 4 is expected to sport a fresh design, taking cues from the iPhone 14. It might ditch the classic home button in favor of Face ID, giving it a modern look and feel too. Plus, with a potential USB-C port, it keeps up with the latest tech standards. When can you buy the device? While the exact release date is still up in the air, rumors suggest we might have to wait until 2025 to get our hands on this device. But if the whispers are true, it'll be worth the wait. Why wait for the iPhone SE 4? The iPhone SE 4 isn't just about getting an iPhone at a lower price. It's about making technology accessible to more people. It's about not having to choose between saving money and having a great phone. With the iPhone SE 4, you get the best of both worlds. So, keep your eyes peeled for more updates on the iPhone SE 4. It's shaping up to be a pocket-friendly powerhouse that could change the way we think about budget smartphones. So, what are your thoughts about the fourth generation of iPhone SE? Are you a SE phone user? How is your experience? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay ahead of the curve. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.